Hi, I'm Jason Cameron, licensed contractor and TV host, and I'm here at the Denver Home Show at the National Western Complex. This is where it happens every year. And right behind me, as you walk in the front door, you'll see flowers right away, which gets you excited for spring. So for those of you wondering about my new show, Superstar Renovation, make sure you tune in to check it out. But in the meantime, let's go check out this really awesome Denver Home Show. There's a lot of cool things to see. Come on. So here we are in the landscape area, and this is all about backyard wars, which is something the Denver Home Show does every single year. And you can see right behind me, this is one of the exhibitors right behind me. Then we've got one to my left and we got another one to my right. So it's all up to you guys, the participants, the people that come, all the guests that come in here and check these out. It's up to you guys to vote because one of these exhibitors is going to win a cash prize. So we are here at yet another attraction at the Denver Home Show. This is what's called Sugetsu. And what that is the Japanese art of floral arrangement, which is what I have behind me. So they give talks on that, the demonstrations on that, how you can do that. And you can see there's a lot of different flowers behind me. So definitely come and check this out, especially if you love flowers. So another attraction of the Denver Home Show, as you can see behind me, are the tiny homes. And we've got a lot of them. So come and check these out. They're still a big thing, believe it or not. It's kind of funny I said big thing about tiny homes, but they are a big thing. And coming up, we're going to be talking to Byron behind me, who actually designs and builds the one that you see behind me and the Gypsy wagon. So stay tuned for that.
Hi, I'm Byron Fears with Simplicity Tiny Homes. We're builders of tiny homes on wheels, builders of Gypsy Bliss wagons, and Bliss Drop campers. Now, living in Colorado, since almost a third of the people in Colorado have Subarus, we actually have a small enough model that a Subaru can pull. Each of our Gypsy wagons are solar powered. It's a full-size bed, has a retractable table, has lots of storage for all of your camping gear. These are great for camping, for backyard retreats, for if you're going to go off to a weekend festival, a great spot to live in. They're going to accommodate a gas range, plenty of room for all of your gear. This particular unit has a fold-down table. It's all you really need to get away quickly.